Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a super quick haul from one of my favorite budget friendly stores, which is Five Below. If you don't know Five Below, as the name suggests, everything is $5 or under, so you already know that. They got me right there. They also have a website for those who are overseas and you may want to shop from them. I'll leave a link in the description bar below for you to check them out for their online items as well. So without further ado, let's get into my little Five Below haul. Okay, so let's start off with home decor because that's already my favorite category of shopping these days. Yes, I'm getting old. I love shopping for household stuff. Five Below is one of my favorite places to go and get affordable decor finds. For example, I picked up these baskets. So these little storage baskets, I picked these up recently. I got 3 of them and it's basically made of metal and it has canvas lining, and this is removable, so if you don't want to have the cloth part, you could take it out and you could just have the mesh. And I literally just organize stuff that I need to show you guys for hauls and other random stuff. I just love baskets and containers, you guys. So once I see something that's matching my tone, I'm gonna pick it up. So I got me 3 of these. Okay, so next up I'm gonna be showing you an overlay of this one because I really don't want to trouble it, but I picked up this shelving unit that I found, and right now I just have my nail polishes organized on it. It's actually hangable, so it has holes in there. Did not come with screws though, so if you want to go ahead and drill it onto your wall, you can do that. You could probably put a little fake succulent plant on it, or any little thing that suits your particular style of decoration you could put. But for me, I needed something to put my nail polishes on, and that's what I'm using it for right now. So super cute find. There also is another hanging shelf that they have there. My mom picked it up and it's actually in her bathroom. I'm going to be showing an overlay right now as to how she uses that one. I think she has a succulent on it and like her toothbrush. Super cute, $5, can't beat that. Just to also add to my pink decor that's going on in my room, I got this pink power cord strip. I just really like having a lot of outlets all over because I'm always charging my devices. They're always dying on me. So that's the reason why I picked up this cute pink power cord extension. So you can pick that up as well if you're looking for something that's not black or white, you know, or brown, the regular colors. Alright, so when I was living in Jamaica, I had a letterboard in the background of most of my videos. If you are paying attention, you would have remembered. But yeah, I sold that when I was moving to the US. So I went to Five Below and I picked up another one. This one looks so much cuter in my opinion. Right now I just have it hanging on my my little stationery desk area, my planning area, and it just has my other Instagram handle on there, which is Anne Has Plans. So if you guys are into planning or stationery or organization when it comes to like desk and like planning supplies, I have another Instagram page that y'all should go and check out. I'll leave a link in the description bar. So yeah, this cute little letterboard, you get the letters with it for you to basically just put any little cute saying that you want on it. You can put it on a wall and hang it up using double-sided tape, or you can just have it resting on a desk like I did. Alright, so while still in the category of stationery finds, these items that I'm going to be showing you now. This first one is this really adorable tape dispenser that I picked up. And yes, it was $5. It comes with tape and it just has glitter in water. Really cute to decorate your desk if you have a desk at home or even at your office. I've been super into calligraphy of late and I really love collecting pens. Like from I was a child, I love pens. Even in high school, if you went to high school with me, you remember I like taking away fancy pens from people. That's just my thing. It's not stealing. I just be like, this is mine now. That's how much I love collecting pens. And I picked up a few types from Five Below. I got this one, which is from Le Pen. Yeah, Le Pen. And this is what it looks like. It comes with four 4 quick drying, smear resistant felt tip pens. Those are my favorite type to write with in my planner. It doesn't write on glossy paper, so it's not, it says it's smear resistant maybe on regular paper, but I tried it on glossy paper or glossy stickers and it's still smeared. But for just writing regularly, let me show you what the tip looks like. And I also love the fact that this slides up and you can just have it propped like that. How cute is it? So this is what this pen looks like. Really skinny, so it's really comfortable in my hand. And the pen tip, and this was for $3, so for $3, why not? This is another pack right here that was also for $3, and I love the fact that you get so many different options with this. Again, if you are super into calligraphy or you just like collecting pens, so these are the different pen tips that you get in this pack, and it's for $3. Why not? Why not? I also picked up these calligraphy pens. I'm gonna put an overlay of what it looked like in the packaging because the packaging really sold me. That's really why I bought it. I'm not gonna lie to you, but these are my babies, and this is what that looks like. I don't know, these are like the old type of pens that you would dip in the ink. Y'all know what I'm talking about, but it's holographic. Really cute if you want to add to your pen collection like I do. All right, on to makeup. So makeup wise, I picked up this pack of makeup brush, what am I talking about, makeup sponges, and these are so cute. It's $5. I don't know how many it's 21 wedges come in this, and I really use these sponges to apply my under eye powder after putting on concealer. So let's feel them. I don't think I tried it. Ooh, they're really firm, which I love. And I love the fact that it came in a container as well. Sucker for packaging. All right, so Five Below also has some really affordable and cute makeup brushes. So I picked up this one just to replace my flat top e.l.f. foundation brush because that one has started to shed a bit, and it's rose gold. So this is her. Picked up this one, and I also picked up the concealer version, and I already used it today, so that's why it's a little dirty. But these are the two, and they have many others as well. These are just the two that I wanted, and these were for $3. Jewelry. Oh yeah, look at these packs that I got. These are 3 pairs of earrings for $3. It was $3 and a couple cents, you know, a couple mash. And it's basically a heart, a star, and a butterfly. How pretty. These are my favorite. My next favorite thing to get from Five Below when I am there are pillows. They have the softest pillows. Like, these are just little throw pillows, and I love the fact that they're compact, so if you want to travel with them you can. And as I said, it's really soft. Literally, I think probably it's like cotton or some form of really cloud like material that's in this. And I got the one that says Moody. I'm gonna show you the one that my mom got that's on her bed right now. Also super cute, and they have many different styles of these. These are also available on the website. I already checked that because I wanted to get some more. So cute. Next up, I wanted to get another case for my tablet, and they had just these types. I got it because it was marble. No, it's not pink. I'm a little disappointed about that, but I'll live. I love the fact though that it has these to secure the tablet in place, and you can also go like this. You can go like that, and I like that. Or if you want to go like this, or you can set your own angle. But it does make my tablet feel super chunky because right now I just have on like a rubber sleeve on mine, so this is gonna take some getting used to. Clothing. I got clothing. Super quick. Bralettes. I love them. If you go to Five Below and you like bralettes, like, I'm not a bra girl. I'm wearing a bra now, yeah, but for the most part I'm more of a sports bra girl because I already have a lot of boobies, so I don't really need any help in the bustier. Like, I don't need push-up bras, so I really just want to probably have my boobs looking less boobylicious, if you get what I mean. So I go for sports bras. So these are the bras that I picked up. They were $5 each. I love the material. It's really, really thick and it's stretchy and it just holds my good in. I think I have probably like over 6 of them by now, so you'll see the ones that I picked up. I got them in a medium and my bust size right now is 34 double D, and I got it in a medium, okay, because I just want that tight. I don't want to have my boobs looking squished when I want them to stay in place, you know, just right. So the medium works for me. I also picked up booty shorts. Yes, you know, it's summer is ending though, but I did notice that my Five Below, they put out some booty shorts, so I picked up one in a size medium. I wore it already. I can say that it's not comfortable. I kept having to like, you know, dig for treasure. I don't know what's up with the crotch part, but basically it's annoying, especially because I don't have thigh gap. It's a little annoying, but cute. I got pants. I haven't worn them yet, but I like them, and I'm liking green, and I love the fact that they have loops, so if I wanted to put in a belt, it does come with a belt. Oh yeah, let me grab that. It comes with a belt, just a regular belt. I'm not gonna be trying this on. It has pockets. We stand a pocket. For those of you girls that don't have hips, okay, you need to wear looser pants with pockets. That's a trick for when you're doing that Instagram photo to look up pop, or even when you put your hands in your pocket. Yeah, that's my tip as to how to fake having hips. So this is my pants that I got. They had them in a few other colors, nothing too special, you know, $5. Also, I picked up this pants, another look of summer vibes type of thing. Nothing too serious. It doesn't have pockets and it's really sheer. You're gonna have to wear like black underwear with this, really see-through, but it should look really cute, especially with like a white top like this. Ooh, it will be looking cute. I also got workout pants. Not that I'm really work out that often, but you know, to encourage me, I got these. And the reason why I picked these up is because they have pockets, so you can put your phone down here when you're working out, and that comes in really handy. I got this pair as well, just pink and black, also $5 just for working out. Really good material. I picked up another thing in the workout category, which is my yoga mat. Let me just show you that real quick. Here she is. It's a pink marble effect yoga mat. Five Below has a bunch of these, you guys, so no matter which color you like, you will find something for you. Of course, I picked the pink because I just don't like other colors, okay? So don't judge me, but this is my yoga mat. It can't even fit in the frame, but and let me give you a close-up of it right here and the thickness right there. I will say that it's kind of it's narrow, so it's really long, but I really wish it was broader or it was wider. For some of the exercises, I'm falling off of the mat. I also got a cup, and I got it because it says A on there, and these cups, they have them in so many other letters, so don't feel left out or anything, you know. They got you, and it was only for $3. Ceramic, no cheap thing. Okay, so last but most certainly not least, my favorite item from Five Below is this right here. Can it even fit in frame? Bro, this is a table, you guys. For $5, this is a metal adjustable table. All you do is go like this, yeah, you go like that, and you put this on top. So anytime I want to go outside. Alright, you guys, so that's everything that I got from Five Below this time around. If you like the items, Don't forget to hit me up in the comment section and let's have a discussion. Tell me which one of these items was your favorite and what is your favorite thing to get from Five Below. Let me know, because maybe I'm missing a few stuff, because sometimes I go in there and I'm just joops. So if you have an item that you recommend to me, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are a fan of this, you know, these type of affordable fashion and beauty and lifestyle and home finds. Hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate you being a part of my family. And until next time, love you. Bye.